In this next Friday challenge, we are going to go on a shape hunt around our house. So if you have stick-it notes, you can use them, or you could use little pieces of paper if you don't have any stick-it notes, and a pencil. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to review some of the shapes that we've learned. On one side of the page, I have shapes that are flat. We call those 2D shapes. We also have shapes that are fat, not flat. We call those 3D shapes. Now, in our shape hunt in our house, it might be a little bit tricky to decide if something is 2D or 3D. So we're just going to try our best when we're looking at something to see if it is a 2D or 3D shape. Miss Kangas isn't too worried today if you can't decide which it is, because that's tricky. So what we're going to do is we're going to go around our house. We're going to have our sticky notes with us, and we are going to go on a hunt. So I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to take my sticky notes, and I've decided I'm going to start my hunt at my refrigerator. I notice in front of me that the shape that I see is a rectangle. I have one, well, maybe it's even more of a square. I'm going to call it a square. I have 4 sides on there. So then I'm going to use my sticky note. I'm going to draw the shape. And if I can, I'm going to write the word square. Uh-oh, my pencil's dying. So we will borrow a marker. And I'm going to write square. Then I'm going to take my shape paper. Whoops. And I am going to stick it to the shape. Now I'm going to show you with another one. Over here, I noticed that this looks like a fat, not flat shape. This is wipes. So this to me looks like a cylinder. So I'm going to make a cylinder picture. This is hard. This might need some help, but I'm going to write cylinder. And then I'm going to take it, and I'm going to stick it. So come along with me as I go through the rest of my house on a shape hunt. Okay, so I finished my shape hunt. You'll notice over here, I have put the rectangle, and as I walk through my house now, I can see some of the different shapes that I found. So over here on my TV, where Miss Kangas is watching sort of terrestrial television shows, I found a rectangle. And then if I go over here on my mirror, right there, I found a square. So throughout my house, I put all of the sticky notes on things that I found. So I can't wait to see your shape hunt and what you are able to find.